Good morning everyone. Yes, another vlog and another trip to London. Currently I have the impression that every weekend is just so busy as we are trying to catch up with everything we have missed in the last 2 years. So yes, loads of trips for me recently, and today it's a very special one as I am heading over to London for the professional beauty show at the London Excel. I think it has been the biggest and the most important beauty show in the UK, and last year it was all online, but now we are back to normal and we will be able to finally meet face to face. So I cannot wait to see you all there. And this year, as usual, I am teaming up with CLAMANTI Cosmetics, and we will be running not one but 2 stands this time, one for the Clarena products and the other one for the Norel Dr. Wilsh. Okay, I better stop talking and make my way to the train station, and if you are interested in what London beauty show looks like, then keep watching. And I've made it. It's so busy here because there is some kind of a wedding show today. So yes, I'm just heading over to my stands and we will start getting everything ready for you for tomorrow. Oh my god, look at my hair. I love rain. And we made it. Look at this. We are getting ready. The show, that's what it looks like just before the show. One massive building site, and this is our stand looks like at the moment. So this is the first stand, and then when we turn around, this is the second stand. So yes guys, look at this. Tomorrow it all will be buzzing. So yeah, we better start working now. See you later. Right, so if I looked a little bit tired and a little bit sweaty, it's because I am. Yes, both of those things. Yes, we just finished setting up both of the stands, the Clarena and Norel one, and now we are off to the hotel and well-deserved drink and something to eat. So yeah, I will catch up with you in a little bit later. Good morning, good morning. So we are at the show. It's all closed now. The entrance is only for the exhibitors. So I will try to find our stand now because it's pretty massive here. So let's try to find it. And look who is here! We found it! Hello, good morning!
Good morning.
Hello! Oh,
It's already done.
Stand.
Yeah. We just have to prepare everything, the till and everything, so it should be okay.
Lovely! Oh, it looks amazing!
It does actually. It looks really good.
Hello, good morning and welcome to London Excel Professional Beauty Show. We are just about to start, but before we do, I would like you to meet the owners of the CLAMANTI Cosmetics, so the people who are teaming up for today's show. And what we are doing today, not one but 2 stands, Norel and Clarena Cosmetics. London Professional Beauty is one of the biggest shows in England for beauty professionals. Loads of amazing beauty brands, seminars, speeches, so it's really worth coming and seeing it all. And last year it was all online, but this year finally we can meet in person and see everything in real life. So let me just grab Mariusz because I can see Ola. It's quite busy making sure that everything looks really pristine for you there on the other stand, and we can meet the owners of CLAMANTI Cosmetics. So I managed to grab Mariusz for a moment. As I told you already, Ola is quite busy there making sure that everything is tip-top for you, ladies and gentlemen. So Mariusz, how are you today?
Oh, I'm great. It's nice to be back after such a long time, and I'm happy to be back and have two stands, and I'm hoping for having a really busy day, so it should be great.
Amazing, amazing. Yes, I already mentioned that today we are not on one stand but on two. So can you please tell us what CLAMANTI Cosmetics is in general and what all the visitors can expect here today?
Well, CLAMANTI is a skincare wholesaler. So usually we've been here with Clarena, but now we have a new brand. It's called Norel. It's from Poland. We are trying to extend our offer. So Norel, it's our pretty new extension to our offer, and it's been great success. So I'm sure today it's going to be just buzzing.
Exactly, and I will totally agree because I am using Norel, Dr. Village and Clarena myself at my beauty studio, and I am just amazed by those products and their performance and the quality of the active ingredients in them. So I definitely will be adding new additions to my beauty studio and placing a next order on my website. So yeah, I definitely recommend checking CLAMANTI Cosmetics because they have quite a wide offer of beauty products there. So, are you ready to start this show?
Absolutely, ready to
yes,
go.
Let's start then. Right, so just before the start, I managed to grab Ola, another very, very important person here. So, how are you, Ola, today? How are the spirits?
Oh, they are very high. I'm very, very excited for today's show. I just can't wait for everybody to come over and just have a look on our stand because it looks just absolutely amazing.
Lovely, lovely. Girls, how are the spirits? Hello. So this is our Clarena team for today, and Ola, I've seen you are very busy making sure that everything is in place for our lovely visitors. So we are exhibiting on two stands today, not only one.
Yeah, exactly. We are exhibiting on Clarena Professional as every year, and then we have another. We went actually a step forward, and we decided to another extra stand for this year, which is Norel. It's just over there, so later you can come over and just have a look. It's absolutely amazing.
Yes, and I've seen Ola as well that you are keep adding new brands to your little CLAMANTI family, and I was always wondering how you are choosing those brands. What's important for you when you're choosing these brands?
First of all, we take in advices from our customers, from the beauty therapists as well, because they always tell us what the best to use, what they would like to have in our shop. So we take in all the ideas on board, and we call in the companies, we talking to them, going through different things, and this is how we bring the different brands on board in our CLAMANTI cosmetic shop.
Lovely, lovely, and I think you have so many interesting brands which are not as popular to have to see and experience. So I will definitely recommend to have a browse on their website. Right, so are we ready? Ready to start the show? Yes, let's start the show then.
That's great, thank you. Bye.
We are going around just to say hello to a few friends in the industry, and look who is here. We have beautiful Pearce girls. So let's say hello to the main lady, the Pearce main lady. Hello Marta, how are you today?
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, how are the
I'm
spirits?
excited.
Yeah, I know. It's like finally after 2 years we can finally meet, because we were talking to Marta so many times online, and yes, and never met before, so it's so amazing to be finally able to meet in person. So what do you have for us today, Marta?
We have live demonstration of our treatments. We prepare some special offers for each customer which we visit our stand. We have some freebies, so if you want to get and try some of our products, just please pop in. And and for customers which will use the hashtag #MyFaithPule, we have some extra products.
See? Freebies. That's another bonus when you come to the beauty show. So yeah, lovely. Amazing stand, Marta. Beautiful work.
Thank
Beautiful
you.
work. Thank you. And then I'm visiting all friends here today. So here we have your Zuki boys. So yes, with beautiful supplements. And I have met actually this company and the guys at the last Olympia beauty show. And I've started to try those collagen ones. And I must say, really, really good. So, hello, how are you today, guys?
We're great. We're just starting, so it's gonna be an exciting day. Very busy. Massive show.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna enjoy it. Great to see all our colleagues, other brands,
Yeah.
and great to show our products to the rest of the world.
Yeah, exactly. And can you tell us a few words about your Zuki?
So Yuzuki is an independent British company. We focus on delivery, so we focus on liposomal and missile delivery of nutrients. Our hero products is our collagen and our liposomal vitamin C. Our collagen, which was only released last year, it already has a massive following.
Yeah, I
Massive
have to
following.
show it.
So we're focusing on our products to be delivered in single sachets, which are easy to mix with any juice, smoothie. You can add it to your porridge, you can add it to your breakfast. We want to destigmatize taking supplements.
Yeah.
So we don't want to create any products which are very difficult to take. Our products are delicious, high
I'm
availability.
having one today as
one
well.
today.
Yes. Good morning. A little bit of a puffy face after yesterday busy day at the London Excel Professional Beauty Show, but today, nonetheless, we are starting day 2. So again, 2 stands, Clarena and Norel, and I hope to see quite a lot of you there today, but it was so amazing to be able to see some of you yesterday face to face. Amazing feeling to be able to hug you and talk to you. So yes, thank you very much for coming, saying hello. Yes, we really appreciate it. Right, so now it's the time to go in. So we are in the middle of day 2. Hopefully I'm not shaking this camera too much. So as you can see, it's quite busy. So we are still waiting for a few people to come and say hello and browse through our products, and really enjoying it so far. So we have finished the London Excel Professional Beauty Show. I have nearly lost my voice, but I hope you will be able to hear me. Just wanted to say a massive thank you to all of you who came and visited our stand here at the show. It was amazing to see so many incredible professionals exchange our views and talk about different products and procedures. I always find this kind of events very inspiring and motivational. And if you have any photos or footage of our stand, please do share us or tag us in Clamanti or Beauty by Joanna. It will be great to see it all. So I'm home now. I'm off home now, and once again, massive thank you to all the visitors. I hope you enjoyed the show as much as we did. I wish you all a beautiful, successful businesses, and I will talk to you again very, very soon. Bye bye.